everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add money to Trust Wallet. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Start off by tapping open your Trust Wallet application from your app drawer and make sure that you are logged into it. Trust Wallet has become one of the best tools to manage your crypto, so it is always necessary to first fund it. So in order to do that, you can easily add money on your Trust Wallet. There are two ways to deposit money on your Trust Wallet. The first one is to receive crypto from someone else, or you can also start buying a new transaction inside Trust Wallet. To do so, select the Buy button from the main homepage of Trust Wallet at the top. Now, on the next page, select the token that you'd like to buy. For example, let me tap on this Ethereum token, and in a page that looks like this, type in the amount that you'd like to purchase. With the help of your keypad, it is showing me that with $150, I'll be able to buy this particular worth of Ethereum, which is displayed right beneath the amount that you just typed in. Now, select your payment service provider right beneath. Now, depending upon the coin that you chose, Trust Wallet will connect you to MoonPay or Simplex. Simply go ahead and search what kind of a payment method provider that you'd like to select and tap on the next button beneath. On the next page, provide your email address in the text box, tap Continue, and enter your verification code that has been sent to your email address in the text box. Finally, tap the Continue button beneath, and you'll be able to add money on your Trust Wallet right away. That was how you can easily add money to Trust Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.